Okay, today we are going to go over the bell work problems from Tuesday, September 8th. Number 1 says we need to sketch and label a segment with endpoints J and K. So remember, a line segment has two distinct endpoints. So here I have drawn a segment with two endpoints, J and K. Mine went horizontally. You can make yours vertical. It can go diagonal on a slant, but you need to have two endpoints, J and K. Number 2 says we need to sketch three collinear points and label them A, B, and C. So if you remember, collinear means on the same line. So here you have to draw a line with 3 points on it and label them A, B, and C. Again, your sketch does not have to look exactly like mine, but you need to have a line, which means you need arrows on both ends to show that the line is going infinitely in both directions, and then you need to label 3 points on that line, A, B, C. Number 3, now we want to draw and label 3 non-collinear points and label them X, Y, and Z. So remember, non-collinear means not on the same line. And there are multiple ways to do this, of course. Here I've drawn 3 lines that kind of intersect to form a triangle, and you see I've labeled my points X, Y, and Z. No 3 points here are on the same line. So again, this is not the only sketch that you can draw, but it is a possibility. And number 4, finally, we need to draw ray MN. So remember, a ray has one distinct endpoint, and then it goes forever in the opposite direction. So here our endpoint is going to be N, because how MN is labeled here, it's showing us that we have a ray, N is the endpoint, and it's going forever in the direction of point M. So again, multiple ways that you can sketch this. Mine is not the only correct answer, but you'll see here I have a ray because I have an endpoint, and then my ray extends infinitely in the opposite direction. N is my endpoint, and my ray extends in the direction of point M.